On my long driving days, this is often a go-to meal for me. I just pop them in the microwave and there's dinner.
And there we go with Sriracha, the rooster.
I often throw in a salad, but now for another quick meal.
All right, YouTubers, cooking time. Quick and easy meal. These are mini peppers. And I'm going to cut them up. All right, I know the trick about stuff underneath, but the cutting board wasn't bothering me. Putting these on a paper towel. I'm not bothering seating them. I'm gonna move these out of the way. Be right back. All right, and now we got chicken breast. Cut this down. All right, wipe my hands. All right, we're going for a super quick and easy meal. I'm gonna do another thing that might seem funny. I'm gonna try to do the minimal amount of mess I can do because I'm gonna clean these plates up and then do dishes when I get another meal. Olive oil. Shown before. I keep it in this plastic bag because I once had a mess. And I'm not the super brightest person in the world, but it doesn't take me multiple times to learn. All right, there's olive oil. This is a real cheat meal. This is garlic powder. Garlic powder in there. Okay, just gonna put the chicken in. I know. Show some patience, but I have none. All right, these are Clorox wipes. Since I'm cheating and not doing real dishes, I'm just gonna wipe this down with Clorox wipes, put them in a bag, and then when I do my dishes, they'll clean up. I wouldn't say I recommend this procedure. Something new I'm trying. But I'm going for low mess. Alright, we'll let that keep cooking. Alright, we're getting there. Put the veggies in. Alright, I'm going to turn it down even further. And now I'm going to add this. This is Tiki Masala sauce from Aldi. It's a simmer sauce, so we're going with an Indian thing. So you can smell that flavor. Indian flavor. Now, as is the case of simmer sauces, it's gonna simmer. If you can see that, it's simmering. Gonna let it go. Okay? It'll keep simmering. Alright, I think that's good. I'm gonna eat it right out of there. And I'm also gonna cook up in the nucleator. I saw this by Tasty Bites. Indian Bombay potatoes. Cooks in 60 seconds. And not terrible, terrible, terrible. 18% of the salt you need. But hey, it'll work. It's non-GMO. For all those people out there judging me for doing something in the nucleator. Alright. Alright, YouTubers, I'm going to eat it right out of the pan. Chicken. Hot. For out of a jar, that's pretty good sauce. Pepper. I like quick and easy. More peppers. More chicken. Good stuff.
Now it's time to give these a try. Never had them before.
All right, let's see. There we go. That's not bad. Quick and easy, right? And not bad at all.
So you can cheat with Quick and Easy and have a great and wonderful day.